Now question number 6. The total weight of certain bags of rice is 650.16 kg. If each bag weighs 10.32 kg, find the number of bags. So same type of questions already we have done. Total weight is given and the weight of each bag. One bag is already given. Then we have to find the number of bags. So simple statement we can use: total weight of rice. It is 650.16 kg and the weight of one bag, it is already given 10.32 kg. We have to find the number of bags. So for finding number of bags, total weight divided by the weight of one bag. 650.16 divided by 10.32. Simple, we'll divide it. 650 16, we'll remove the decimal, upon 100 multiply 10, reciprocal already we have done by removing decimal. So for removing this decimal, this 100 should be taken at numerator place. So 100, remove with 100. Now stepwise we can reduce. It will be reduced by 2, 5, 1, 6. Again by 2, 3 2s are 6, 2, 5. Then we are using 2 digits at the same place. That's why we are using 0. Then 8. Again we will reduce. Last 2 digits they are 1 and 6, 16. So it will be divisible by 4. Again last 2 digits 0, 8. This number will be also divisible by 4. So we can, if the number is bigger and you don't know the table, so divisibility test, you can check by divisibility test. So divisibility of 2, if last digit is even number, so it will be divisible by 2. So for checking divisibility of 3, sum of these digits, if divisible by 3, so the given number will be divisible by 3. If last 2 digits they are divisible by 4, then the given number will be divisible by 4. So both these numbers can be divisible by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 1 2 4 2s are 8, 3 129. Again divisible by 4, 8 1 2 7, 8 1 2 7. Now 129, this is 8 1 2 7. We can check divisibility test by 3 and 9, 12. It will be divisible by 3. Then 9 and 9, 18. So 4 3, and this will be 3 2s are 6, 7. Again 2 digits we are using at same place, 27. We'll use 0, 9 3s are 27. Now 43, its prime number, so we have to divide directly by dividing it. So 43 ones are 43 and it will be divisible by 63. So 63 bags, this is the answer. We have to find the number of bags. There are 63. Now start question number 7. Seventh question. The product of two decimals is 32.396. If one of the decimals is 5.2, find the other. Same questions we have done in previous exercise, integers as well as fractions. Product of numbers, product of fraction number, product of integer if given, and one number, one fraction number or one integer already it is given, so we have to find. For finding number, second number, by dividing, or we can let the value of x. For finding value x, we can solve the equation product of two decimals. This is given 32.396, and one decimal is 5.2. So for finding other decimal, directly we can divide them. It's your wish. You can find this value by x. We can let the value of other number is x, or directly if product is given, one number is given, we can divide it directly. Divided by 5.2. Again same 32.396. So removing decimal, 3 digits are there in decimal part, so we'll use 1000. Then 52, one digit is there, 10 will be used at numerator place. 0 with 0. Then 52, it will be divisible by 13 or 4. 4 13s are 52. 4 8s are 32. 0 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. So it will be directly divided by 13. 13 6 are 80. 26 39. So 623 upon 100. 2 zeros are there at denominator place, so there will be 2 places in decimal part. So 6.23, this is the answer. Next, question number 8. The cost of 1 dozen of apples. The cost of 1 dozen of apples is rupees 256.20. Find the cost of 1 apple. Very simple. The cost of 1 dozen of apples. 1 dozen means 1 dozen means 12. You know this unit. It means the cost of 12 apples it is given. We have to find the cost of 1 apple. Very simple. Apples, first of all we'll find number of apples. Dozen को apple में convert कर देंगे. So you can do this question yourself. Very simple question is this. Simple calculation is this. Then question number 9. The cost of 26 toys is rupees 1007.60, and find the cost of 1 such toy. Very simple. The cost of 26 toys it is given. We have to find the cost of 1 toy. Very simple. Statement is also very simple. As such statement you can follow. The cost of 26 toys given and the cost of 1 toy. You can do this question yourself. Very simple question is this. Now last question of this exercise, question number 10. The cost of 10.85 meter of ribbon is this, and find the cost of 1 meter of ribbon. Simple question. Very simple. The cost of 10.85 meters of ribbon, it is given rupees 238.70. The cost of 1 meter of ribbon we have to find. Very simple. For finding 1 meter cost, simple division. 238.70 divided by 10.85. So 238 70, remove decimal first, 100, again 10, 8, 5, for removing this decimal, 100. So this simple calculation you can do. So complete this question also, complete this exercise in your fair notebook. Rather complete this chapter and revise this chapter properly. So be ready for test. After completion of this chapter, test will be taken. Thank you and have a nice day.